Take a look at this YouTube channel called Animal GoCam. In just a few months, it has exploded to over 200,000 subscribers, with many of its shorts pulling in millions of views. So what kind of content are they making that's blowing up this fast? Simple. Videos of sea creatures with tiny body cameras attached to them, exploring rivers, oceans, and underwater ruins, making it feel like you're discovering something you were never supposed to see. And the crazy part? You can create the same type of viral videos using completely free AI tools. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to make these viral AI POV animal shorts from scratch. So make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any of the important steps. Now let's get started. The first step is coming up with a viral concept for your video, along with the AI video prompts we'll use to generate the scenes. To do this, head over to the Google Doc linked in the description below. You'll find a prompt designed specifically for this viral sea creature POV niche. Simply copy the prompt, then open your preferred AI writing tool. For this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt directly into the chat box and make one small adjustment. Input how many video concepts you want the AI to generate. After that, hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate multiple viral video concepts you can use for your AI animal POV video. Take a moment to review the concepts carefully and choose the one you like the most. Next, we need to generate ultra-realistic video prompts that we'll use to create the scenes for our short. To do that, simply type the number of the concept you selected into the chat box. For this tutorial, I'm choosing concept number 3. An orca's back cam leads into a sealed cave beneath Norway's Viking ruins. Then press enter. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate detailed cinematic video prompts that you can use to create the scenes for your viral YouTube short. The next step is to generate the video scenes for our YouTube short. For this part, we'll be using Grok AI. Start by heading over to Grok, then click on Imagine. After that, switch to video mode and make sure your aspect ratio is set to 9:16, since we're creating a YouTube short. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt that was generated earlier. Then return to Grok AI, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and click Generate. The AI will now begin creating the first video scene for your POV sea creature video. In a few moments, your first scene will be ready. Go ahead and preview the clip. As you can see, it looks extremely realistic, which is exactly what we want for this type of viral content. Now upscale the video to improve the quality and then download it to your device. To generate the next scene, open the video you just downloaded and take a screenshot of the last frame of the clip. Then crop the screenshot properly. After that, head back to Grok AI and upload the screenshot you just captured. Once the image is uploaded, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second video prompt. Return to Grok AI, paste the second prompt, and click Generate. Within a few moments, your second video clip will be ready. Preview it. And you'll notice that it continues naturally from where the first clip ended, creating a seamless storyline. Go ahead and upscale the clip and download it to your device. From here, simply repeat the same process for the remaining prompts to generate the rest of your video scenes. The final step is to combine all the video clips and edit them together, and for this, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut, then click on New Project and import all the video clips. Make sure you arrange the clips in the correct order so the story flows naturally from one scene to the next. Next, set your aspect ratio to 9:16, since we're creating a YouTube short. To make the video flow more smoothly, we're going to add transitions between each clip. Simply click on Transitions, and you'll see a variety of transition effects available. Choose the one you like best. Then click Apply to All, so the transition is automatically added between every clip. Once you're done editing, click on Export. For the best quality, increase the resolution to 4K, and then download the final video to your device. Now let's take a look at the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions.